This podcast was made with a voice generator. Today, let's go aboard my imaginary boat to share with you the legend of the four Aymon Sons. The legend of the four Aymon Sons tells that four brothers, Renaut, Alart, Guichart and Richart, after having killed Bertolaï, the so-called nephew of Charlemagne, must flee on their fiery horse named Bayard. These four brothers are immortalized in the rocks overlooking the village of Bogny-sur-Meuse in the Ardennes. Their run takes them to the Ardennes, to Bordeaux, to Montauban, to Dortmund. We even see them in Cologne, where they participate in the construction of the cathedral. In short, they circulate throughout Europe. But what is the link between this legend and the city of Rouen, you ask me? Well, you can guess at Overlooking Street, number 185. Imagine, you are now in front of the National Museum of Education, raise your head and look over the front door slightly to the left.